Tonka bonbon mixed with raspberry and white chocolate ganache. The combination is so delicious, so tasty. Tonka with honey will bring you to another level of happiness. Let's do the most delicious praline or bonbon you ever do with tonka. The combination is really balanced and you will feel a nice aroma. In beginning, we have to spray the mold. I choose easy spray mold. As you see, I have this mold. What I'm doing, blue cacao butter, 100 gram cacao butter, heated 45 degree. Then I added 10 gram of blue color. Then 100 gram cacao butter, I melted 45 degree, then 10 gram black color. And as you see, always we tempering before we spray. Here we spray blue, then black dots, then green cacao butter. After that, I added the golden spray. Then I have one mold with 4 different touches: gold, green, blue, and black. So I make the half mold with red, black, and dark green. So you can choose, the decoration is yours. I try to open your mind to different level of chocolate. I tempering the chocolate, I cover the mold, I shake it, I leave it 50 to 70 seconds. Why? To make a light shell. And then I remove the chocolate after 50 seconds. Then I keep it to crystallization. White chocolate ganache, 125 gram fresh cream, 375 white chocolate. Just to boil it and add it to the chocolate. All you need is just mix it to be easy, smooth ganache. Here the ganache, then we can keep aside to cool down. Then I feel it. Normally I spray the mold, I make ganache in one day, and second day I use both of them. Tonka, 120 gram fresh cream. Third piece of tonka beans. Don't use a lot of tonka because it's bring sourness to the milk. Just I need the aroma. Third of tonka beans, it's exactly enough for 120 gram. What I'm doing now, simmering. What means simmering? I make casserole in very low temperature. One spoon of honey, like 10 gram, which make aroma with tonka beans, fresh cream, simmering about 10 minutes, very low flame, and then we cover it to infuse the flavor. So I just reheat it, I leave it to infuse the tonka beans with the fresh cream and honey, and then I boiling again, and I added to 230 gram of dark chocolate, 10 pieces of cacao butter to bring more smoothness to the ganache. I blend it for 3 minutes. Then I added 25 gram of normal butter, unsalted butter. And here we go, the most delicious tonka ganache you ever make. We cover it and then we use it second day. First I added the tonka in the half of the mold. Other mold I can added raspberry ganache. And here we go, white chocolate ganache on raspberry and in tonka. So you have a lot of combination you can do, and you choose the flavor you like. I finish all the mold. I make it's one level. I shake the mold. I make with hot guns, just reheated to stake the other cover, or we say it cap the mold. We cap the mold, and this is the most easy way with transfer sheet. And then boom, in the fridge for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I have the most delicious chocolate you ever make. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Please share the video with your friends.